My name is Marcus Lundegreen. I'm actually born and raised right here in Amarillo, Texas. Really, for me, my favorite thing about Amarillo is the fact that it's so close to Palo Canyon. I love being outside, hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, and just the fact that Amarillo offers so much as far as outdoors. That's my favorite thing. Growing up, I actually dreamed about doing something with computers. The more I thought about it, I just started thinking, I don't want to be stuck in a cubicle forever. Actually, a friend of mine, his dad was an electrician, and he was telling me a little bit about it. And so while I was in school, I actually went and applied for the program. I mean, most people get stuck in one place. As an electrician, you get to go to most of the places in the area, Pantex, Bell Helicopter. You get to see and experience all the different places. To me, success really is you finding happiness in where you're at in life, what you're doing. I can go on the weekends and have fun with my family. So to me, happiness is success. Currently, I'm really a recruiter. They call me a membership development coordinator. Basically, I recruit for electricians. But by trade and by heart, I'm an electrician. Every day you get to get up, put your tools on, go to work. At the end of the day, you put in a hard day's work, and you can actually say, I installed that, and admire your work. Most electricians, you'll notice they'll go into a restaurant or anything, and if it's got an open ceiling, the first thing they're doing is looking up, looking around, and seeing how everybody ran their work. What motivates me is my children, being able to provide a good living for them and being able to go home and comfortably take them to do things on the weekend and the evenings. That's what motivates me every day. To all the kids in the Panhandle growing up, I would say never settle. Always apply yourself to anything you decide to do, and college isn't necessarily for everyone. I didn't go to college until later on in life. I got a 2-year degree finally, but I've never used it. Don't be discouraged if people are telling you that you need to go to college. You need to apply yourself in whatever you decide to do in life.